everyone, welcome back. This is Hannah from Jingle Mining, and last time we tested the Mara M3, which is really strong miner. But you may be wondering that does a home miner always have to be big? What if I told you you can have a stylish, compact miner sitting right on your desk, keep your coffee or water warm while mining at the same time? And today we will take a close look at those two unique desktop miners from Magicminer. This is Magicminer WM02. It's an SHA-256 Bitcoin miner delivering 7 terahash per second with 170 watts power consumption, and right now it's listed at $220. And this one is Magicminer WM02Pro. It's a crypto miner for DOGE and LTC, delivering 550 megahash per second with 140 watts power consumption, and right now listed at $280. At first glance, they look more like a stylish desktop gadget than a mining machine, but inside, they're a real fully ASIC miner. So in this video, we will compare those two machines side by side. We will check the design, setup process, actual hash rate and power consumption, noise level, heating performance, and the profitability and the estimated payback period. Let's get started. First, this is WM02Pro. Also have the same size cup. They also have the same compact size. Okay, you can see it's about 1.42 kilograms. Okay, let's look at the design. Here we have the heating area where you can put your coffee or water on top of it to make your drink warm. And we have the air intake here, air outlet, and the power outlet here. And both of the machine comes with a cute and delicate warming cup, and we also have the Magicminer logo here. Okay, and here we have the 1.9-inch display where you can decrease or increase the temperature, and you can see the mining working status and the temperature in the same time. Yeah, so overall, both machines looks more like a stylish desktop miner. Now let's test the noise level and heating performance for these two miners. For home miners, the noise is definitely one of the most important factors. And first, let's test the Magicminer WM02 in a normal running mode. And I'll stay away from the machine about 20 centimeters, and I will stop talking. Okay, you can see it's about 47 decibels. And right now let's test the WM02Pro. Okay, under the same condition, I'll put in the same distance, also about 20 centimeters, and I will stop talking. Okay, you can see it's about 52 decibels. For the noise level, compared to the traditional ASIC miners, those two miners are pretty quiet and practical for home miners and desk setup. In today's market conditions, both miners can generate around 30 cents per day. Depending on coin price, network difficulty, pool fees, and electricity cost, it can be changed. And either way, both machines provide a practical, fun, and stylish way to the desktop mining. Right now, let's go through the setup. The setup is pretty straightforward. Let's take the Magicminer WM02Pro for example. And first, we connect the power cable right here, and wait a few seconds. Once it's on, you will see on the LED display we have the Wi-Fi for setup, and on this machine is Magic/17F9, and open your computer or iPhone or whatever you want and find the same Wi-Fi name, which is Magic17F9 right here, and we tap that will connect this Wi-Fi, and we input this URL 192.168.4.1, and we enter it. Okay, right here you can see the network configuration. So the host name you can set whatever you want, and the Wi-Fi SSID. Okay, make sure your miner and your computer are connected to the same 2.4G network. And I'll cite Jingle for example. Once you input your Wi-Fi password, you can hit the save button. Okay, you can say the save success, and we hit the restart button. Restart success, and we wait a few minutes. Restart again and working, and let's see. And we connect the Jingle Wi-Fi here. After that, we restart. Wait a few seconds. Okay, once you restart, you can see on the miner, the display is already changed, and we can see the IP address on the red part. Here is 192.168.41.74. And we input this URL in our web. Okay, here we go. Here we have the Magicminer dashboard. And we hit the pool settings, and you can set the pool that you want. Also the port you need to hit. And here we got the stream user and the password set whatever you want. So the WM02Pro is set for the LTC or the DOGE mining. And the F2 pool is a nice pool for the DOGE. And we hit the save. Okay, you can say save success. We already saved the pool settings, and we hit the restart button. Okay, it's already restarted, and you can say the miner is running. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard, and you can say, first of all, look at the efficiency rating. It hits 231 here. Simply put, this value shows how much electricity the miner used to generate each gigahash of computing power. The lower the number is, the more power efficiency the machine runs, directly cutting your daily power cost. And right now you can say our live hash rate stands at 628 megahash per second. Well, the official factory number is 550 megahash per second. And so our real hash output is even slightly above the official number. And the power consumption is 145, just a tiny bit higher than the rated 140 watts from the official number. And for the temperature status, ASIC chip temp stays at 74 degrees Celsius, and the VR temp is 62. Fan speed steady at 3,766 RPM. All running with healthy working ranges. So all in all, the WM02Pro runs in a very stable performance. Okay, and for the WM02, after the same setup process, we come to the dashboard. So the WM02 is for Bitcoin miner, and you can say here the pool settings. You can set your own pool address, and tap into the port, the user, the password. Just set the pool you want, and we go back to the dashboard. First off, efficiency is 21. The lower this number, the more power saving and profitability the miner is. And our live instant hash rate is 7.13 terahash per second, which is very close to the official number, which is 7 terahash per second. And we can say the average hash rate is 7.16. Okay, and we can say the power draw rate is 157.5 watts. So the official number is 170 watts. We're even consuming less power than the rated. And let's check the temperature check. ASIC temp is 73.15 degrees Celsius. VR temp is 65 degrees Celsius. And the fan speed is holding speed at 4020 RPM. Basically, that's the WM02. Overall, the unit performance remarkably stable, and the hash and the power both match or beat official performance. Right now, let's move on to the heating test. The Magicminer WM02 has been running about 1 hour, and the room current temperature is about 26.5 degrees Celsius. Okay. And we can see from the dashboard, the ASIC chip temperature is about 73.15 degrees Celsius. And the VR temperature is almost about 71 degrees Celsius. Oh, and it's pretty hot. And the heat from the heating area is very stable and strong. So this heating area can definitely keep your coffee warm. And meanwhile, let's test the air intake and outlet temperature. For the WM02, it's 22.9 degrees Celsius about the air intake. And let's test the air outlet. It's about 45 degrees Celsius. And next, let's move on to the WM02Pro. Let's see the temperature potential. And let me connect the power. And similarly, let's also test the intake and outlet. For the intake, it's about 21.9 degrees Celsius. Let's test the air outlet. It's also about 48.9 degrees Celsius. Now let's take a look inside. Alright guys, we already break down the internal structure, and you can see here. The top plate is the heat plate. It gathers all extra heat into the middle heating area. Right under it is the hashboard. You can see the hashboard. This is where the miner makes hash power. And we also have a cooling fan here to blow hot air out. And this part is the main power control with a small battery inside. You can see the 12 marking on it. And this small layout helps the machine run cool and stable. At first, we want to open the heat plate to show you guys the chips, but we took all the screws, but it still won't open, like it glued it together. This miner is built really well. So that's the review of the Magicminer WM02 and WM02Pro. If you prefer Bitcoin mining, want a lower intro price, the WM02 is a good choice. But if you prefer the crypto mining with a lower power consumption, the WM02Pro is a better one. Both models are available from jinglemining.com with factory direct price, global shipping, techno support, and after-sale service. Mining earnings may change with the coin price, network difficulty, and electricity cost, so make sure you double-check the last data before you're ordering. So which one will you choose, the O2 or O2 Pro? Please let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you have any questions, please visit jinglemining.com or let our support team know. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Jingle Mining for more miners review and testing video. I'm Hannah from Jingle Mining. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.